We are in Silverlake, Wisconsin by Kenosha. We're going to be doing some mountain biking. We just got one of these chest mounts for this camera. The fall is definitely present here. The leaves are starting to turn yellow, orange, brown, lime green. This is a new trail, so I'm excited to check it out here. I asked my dad if it rained sugar recently because all of our cars are sticky, but apparently this is whatever has been produced by the maple tree. And you know what, I wasn't too far off. I guess it is sugar because the bees seem to be enjoying it.
Up this.
The barbed wire.
Yeah.
To Rudy's Run.
Yep. And the High Line.
Oh, that looks fun.
No ja mu napisałem, widziałeś, nie?
Sensory. Tam idę sprawdzać.
No nagrywa.
No ja wiem.
A moja?
I should consider starting cardio.
Już?
Co?
Nie, ja po prostu pracuję, ale ja chciałem coś...
A nie, dziewczyny co ja. Tutaj na mnie. Czekaj. Go, super. Na te trasy to kurde, no to nie wiem. No. Fajnie.
I'm your personal drone.
Yeah. Whoa, uważaj. Don't think about camera.
I'm not.
Po lewej?
O.
Excellent.
Trzymasz. Hej. Fajnie było, ciężko, ale fajnie.
Świetnie. Jutro znowu.
Jak nie będzie padać.
All right, that's the end.
Yeah. Somehow I have water in my ear.
I have recovered my heart, my lung. The second round going in was a bit better, but my earlier statement about starting cardio, I think still stands.